Oh. Okay. Now I got it up. Let me share my screen with you.
Yeah.
So I haven't done anything to make it look pretty or anything like that yet. Share. Okay. So the first page was what, the sales data? Yeah.
Yep.
Where it looked like this, and then you had to do the base prices and the discounts. Do you know how to pull that information in on this page?
Just VLOOKUP, right?
Yeah, for base price, yep, there's the formula that I used, VLOOKUP.
Okay.
Can you see the formula?
Yeah.
Okay. And then for discounts, yep, I did the same thing. Options was already there. And then net
So
price.
you just started the looks like you just started your when you grabbed all the data, you just started it at like B3 or something. Was that how to?
Oh yeah, I'm not scrolled all the way up. Sorry. Oh wait, no, there I am. Yeah.
So you started.
Yeah, because over here. Wait, no, information. Okay, this is what they gave us. So yeah, see the information is like B4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so you grabbed it from there. Okay.
Yeah. I grabbed it from that original page. And then net price was just E6 plus F6 minus E6 plus F6 times the discount dollar. That took me some finagling to get that.
E6 plus F6
in parentheses minus
E6 plus F6.
Yeah, times the discount.
Well, doesn't that equal 0?
No,
work?
because you're timesing it by the discount.
Okay. Oh, okay. Yeah, order of operations, I guess, huh? Okay.
Yeah. But that being said, it took me a couple wrong tries to get that right formula. So okay. I understand your confusion. And then cost of sales, they gave us that, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, and then gross margin was H6 minus I6. Net price minus the cost of sales.
Okay, yeah. Makes sense.
And then the gross margin was J6, so gross margin dollar divided by net price, H6.
Okay, and then you get a percentage for it. All right.
Yeah. Right now, though, I'm like second guessing myself. Is that right for gross margin, or is it gross margin dollar over cost of sales? No, I think in the notes he said divided by net price. Let me look. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure
it would be. Otherwise, it would be. Yeah, I feel like the percentage would be inaccurate.
Right, and that looks correct.
Gross margin divided by net sales.
Price. Yep. Okay, sweet. So that's how I did that page. And then and then here's the information page that they gave us. And then in the instructions, it said copy and paste the table 3 times. So I did that. Let's see. Hide this. So this is where I haven't gone that far. So I made this total net sales, gross margin, and gross margin percent. Rexburg, Idaho Falls, and Rigby. And then here's my table. And then I came over here and I started this one. I started doing net sales for everything. And how did I get that? VLOOKUP. Okay. Oh, wait, no, this was wrong. This was an error that I made. Ignore that. For Rexburg, then I did
an if statement.
Yes, if it's that, then it's that. And so then now I just have to go over and sum it in the table. over there. Does that make sense?
Yeah, sum that column.
Yeah, and so that's as far as I got up here. I just wanted to make sure that I understood it, and then I was like, I'll move on and finish that later. So then I'm going to do the same thing with Idaho Falls.
Okay, and then that way you could have the sum of Rexburg, Idaho Falls, and the sum of Rigby.
Yeah, and so that
Okay.
will be my net sales. And then once I have my total net sales, then I'll have to do the same thing for gross margin, doing those if things and then sum them up. And then for gross margin percent, I'll just take this number here and divide it by this number here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's my plan for this one. And then down here, here's my other table, and then here's what we need for Cheyenne Mountain, Mount Everest, Mount Herman. Kind of made my table over here, and then I think my plan over here was, did I get to this yet? Nope, I didn't get to this one yet. But I think we can do a VLOOKUP.
What is it asking for? What is it?
It wants us to do the total for each one of these communities.
Okay.
So I might just do the if statement again, just like I did above.
Yeah, I mean, that would work.
You know? I think you can do a VLOOKUP though. I'm just not as good with the VLOOKUP.
Total net sales. Can you do a VLOOKUP and have it add everything together? I don't think so.
I don't think so.
I think
we
the if
might as well
statement.
just do the if, right?
Yeah, I think the if, because the VLOOKUP, I don't think it would like these ones are easy because it'll just put all of the totals down the right side and then you can just sum all those. And I don't think the VLOOKUP does that.
Yeah, yep, I agree. And then I forgot to show you the top one, which was just the January, February, and March. This one was super easy. I didn't have to do anything because they were already in order over here. So I just did sum, and then sum, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because they were already sorted out. So I didn't have to do anything over here to find it.
Okay, yeah.
So that one's easy. So see, I've kind of got a good start on it, but I still have stuff to do. And then after that, what did it say? We have to make a table?
Yeah, a couple pie charts, I think it said.
One that shows the number of homes by community. So that's the second one, this middle one.
And then
one
that shows the numbers of homes by plan.
Yes. Use an Excel function to count the number of homes for each graph. What does it mean by that? To count the number of homes for each graph. What? Do you have any clue what that's talking about?
Graph. No idea.
Me neither.
To count the number of homes.
What is it talking? Yeah, I'm stuck on that one. But that gets us, I mean, that gets us most of the way there. And then if we can just figure out number 2, one that shows the number of homes by community. Oh, well, the home addresses are here. So January has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 homes. So.
Well, all those homes looks like different addresses. So maybe the whole thing is
different homes.
Different homes. So you just have to sum up how many rows there are of houses, maybe?
That's what I'm thinking. But it says by community, so we'll have to count how many homes are in Mount Everest, how many homes are. We can use an Excel function for that, or we can just count it up to, by hand. There's not that many.
Well, the Cheyenne Mountain and stuff, that's the house plan.
Oh yeah, the communities are here. You're right.
The communities are there, so we would need how many houses per community, and then how many houses were
number of houses by plan. Okay, gotcha.
Yeah.
So we'll have to make another table with that information in it to create those 2 pie graphs. Got it.
So maybe it's a little bit.
I understand. It's just one more step.
Yeah.
So we don't have to make a graph for these tables that we're doing over here, right? No.
Nope, just the one that's in the just what's in that.
Okay,
Homes
so
per
once we get
community
this
and home.
information over here, do you think we should delete all of this so that it's not all cluttery, or maybe just hide it?
I would just move it. Maybe put it on a different sheet.
Okay, and then have these
And
three
then just have
tables
this,
be pretty,
yeah, for the summary.
and then have the two pie charts on this same page where it looks nice.
Yeah.
Okay. I think we got it then.
Okay.
I think we got it.
Yeah, I'm gonna get going on it here pretty soon. So I was just reading through everything right when I hopped on the call. So
I might text pictures of mine when I'm done and just have you check. You're good at saying, oh, add a dollar sign here, or it's hard to read that. And then you can take a look-see at it for me. And if you want me to do the same, I can do that for you.
Okay, will do.
Okay. Sounds good. Thanks, Connor.
Yeah, thanks.
If you need help with anything, give me a shout out.
Okay, will do.
Okay. Good luck.
You too.
Bye.